welcome to ELA Transactional Focus 40S Grade 12 Transactional. I'm Mr. M or Mr. McCorquodale-Bauer, and you're a lucky group because this is the first time this version of this course has been run. Sneak preview. Yeah, it's exciting. But what this means is that basically I've created a whole bunch of content, worked with the curriculum, created this design, and now I'm actually looking for feedback. Because sometimes I create a slide and maybe I've made a spelling error, and if you see it, you can let me know. Or if some instructions don't quite make sense, you gotta let me know. No matter what, in any class, you should probably do that. But I'm just coming right on and saying it. This is the first time this version of the course has been run, and I'm really looking forward to working through it with you. So how does the course work? Well, there's announcements right here, and this is where this video will be posted. Most important thing in this course, or any Brightspace course, is content. I actually, in this course, have posted in two places. That means you can't miss it, or maybe you can, but you'll eventually find it. Two places, doubly important. So if you go into content, you'll just see, waiting for it to load, learning modules. Now the first thing that you'll see is Unit 1 and Lesson 1. That's all that will be available to you. That's because I have these things called release conditions. They're explained right off the bat. Basically, you have to unlock the different levels. How do you unlock them? By learning. I'll stop saying, where am I? Release conditions. Oh yeah, so you work your way through and then slowly they will become available. Now, right off the bat, it kind of explains all of this, so it's super important you do this. It explains emailing. Don't email from outside of Brightspace to my Brightspace. It won't work. It explains it in the video. I think that's about all that I have to say. Oh, I'm in my work environment. All the desks behind me, they are where your other InformNet teachers work. We're going to talk about that in a later video, also in introduction. I think I'll stop because this is my fourth video this morning, and I am starting to say and pause and get off track way too much. 2 minutes and 45 seconds, way too long. Bye-bye.